Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about C++. Is general purpose programming language created by Björn Stroustrup as an extension of C programming language or C with classes. The language has expanded significantly over time, and modern C++ now has object-oriented, generic, and functional features in addition to facilities for low-level memory manipulation. It is always a implement of a compiled language, and many vendors provide C++ compilers, including the Free Software Foundation, allow Microsoft Internet Oracle, and IBM, so it's available on many platforms. C++ was designed with an orientation towards systems programming and embedded resource-constrained software and large system with performance, efficiency, and flexibility of use. Its design highlights C++ has also been found useful in many other contexts, with the case strengths being software infrastructure and resource-considerate applications, including desktop applications, video games, servers. Um, C++ is standardized by the International Organization for Standardizations (ICO), with the latest standard version ratified and published by ISO in December 2020 as ISO EAC. The C++ programming language was initially standardized in 1998 as ISO IAC, which was then amended by the C++, 3, 11, 14, and 17 standards. The current C++20 standards supersedes with new features and elegant standard library. Before the initial standardization in 1998, C++ was developed by Danish computer scientist Bjørn Stroustrup at Bell Labs since 1979. As an extension of the language, he wanted an efficient, flexible language similar to C that also provided high-level features for programming organization. Since 2012, C++ has been on 3-year release schedule, with C++23 as the next planned standard. Um, the motivation of creating a new language oriented by Strop's experience in programming for his PhD, that is, Stroustrup found that Simula had features that were very helpful for large software development, but the language was too slow for particular use, while BCPL was fast but too low level too suitable for large software development. When Stroustrup started working in AT&T Bell Labs, he had the problem of analyzing the Unix kernel with respect to distributed computing. Remembering his PhD experience, Stroustrup set out to enhance the C language with similar-like features. C was chosen because it was general purpose, fast, portable, and widely used, as well as C and similar influences. Other languages are also infused with the new language, including LGGOL. Initially, Stroustrup C with classes was added feature to the compiler, including classes derived classes, strong typing, initial and default arguments. In 1982, Stroustrup started to develop a successor to C with classes, which has named C++, being incremental operator in C after Going through several other names, new features were added including virtual functions, functions named and operator for overloading, reference constant types, free store with memory allocations, improved type checking, and BCPL style single line comments with two forward slashes. Furthermore, Stroop developed a new standalone compiler for C++. In 1984, Stroop implemented the first stream input-output library. The idea of providing an output operator rather than a name output function was suggested by Doug McElroy, who had previously suggested Unix pipes. In 1985, the first edition of C++ programming language was released, which became the definitive reference for the language. As there was not yet an official standard, the first commercial implementation of C++ was realized in October of the same year. In 1989, C++ 2.0.2.0 was released, followed by updated second editions for C++ programming language in 1991. The new feature 2.0 included multiply information, abstract classes, static membership functions, contact members, function and protected members in 1990. The annotated C++ reference manual was published. This work became the basics for the future standard. Later, future additions included templates, expectations, namespaces. In 1998, C++ 98 was released as standardized language and the minor update. After C++ 98, C++ evolved relatively slowly until in 2011, the C++11 standard was realized, adding numerous new features, enlarging the standard library further, providing more facilities to C++ programmers. After a minor C++ 14 update released in December 2014. Um, Various new additions were introduced in C++ 70 after becoming finalized in February 2020. A draft 1 of that C++ 20 standard was approved on 4 September 2020 and officially published on 15 December 2020. On January 3, 2018, Stroop was announced as the 2018 winner of the Charles Stark Draper Prize for Engineering for conceptualizing and developing C++ programming language. As one of the 2022 C++ ranked fourth on the Type Index, the measure of popularity of programming language after Python, C, and Java. Um, okay, guys, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.